What's up, what's going on guys? Migs and Jeff, and we got a really exciting adventure for you guys today.
We're gonna take a bush plane into bear territory and fly fish right alongside them and show you what the Mavic 2 shutter collection is all about.
We're hyped for Alaska Day 2. We got bears, fishing, and drones. What could go wrong?
Well, hopefully nothing, but if it does, we're definitely gonna get it on film. And for this video, Migs and I decided we want a more natural and neutral look to it. So we're gonna use the shutter collection, which contains ND4, ND8, and ND16 filters.
These straight ND filters give a natural and flatter color profile, unlike the Vivid Collection NDPLs that give you a more saturated and poppier look. And for this reason, we like to have both the ND and NDPL filters to set the tone for a specific look we are going for. Do you want to fly the drone?
Of course I want to fly the drone. Let's rip a few drone shots and then head to the plane. We're out here in the bush and the only thing around is the wildlife. Hopefully some fish too.
Stoke level's pretty high right now, so we're gonna get our lines out in the water.
Yoo. All right, so we're gonna get some aerial shots right here along the river. Really excited about it. And you know, since we're out here on this kind of once in a lifetime trip, at least for a California city slicker like me, I want those shots to be perfect. So we build the Cinema Series glass with a super low refractive index, so it's gonna fully resolve that Hasselblad sensor, and extreme color neutrality to make grading a lot easier in post. Let's get that bird in the air.
With every filter set, we included a stock UV removal tool. It can be kind of tricky to take off the stock UV on your Mavic 2, so this will make life easier.
All right, well that was fun. A good day fishing, Migs. You caught one,
yeah.
caught a couple, because I'm a better fisherman than you. But we're gonna head back in the plane and end the day at Eagle Beach.
Sweet. So we just got to Eagle Beach, lighting's dropping, so we're gonna switch out the filter to an ND4 in the Mavic 2 Zoom. So let's take it up in the air and get some punched in shots of Jeff fishing. One last thing we added to our filters is an aircraft guarantee. If you guys haven't seen the Vivid Collection video yet, we put a lot of research and development on our filters, so we stand behind them with this promise. If our filters cause any damage to your camera or gimbal, we will replace it. That was a pretty nice fish.
Yeah. Well, it was a fun day shooting, catching a few fish out there. And be sure to join us tomorrow as we hike to a glacier and hopefully get some cool drone shots of it. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our adventures or new products. We'll see you tomorrow.